Good morning, Fibs. Look, say morning, Fibs. Good morning. Good job. Say morning, Fibs. What one?
What one? Me there on the Gaza.
You sure you're up on the Gaza?
Yes.
Hi, Fibs. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's another day on vacation. Yesterday we took the day and rest. We did nothing yesterday. We stayed in and we rest all day. Come.
Me want to tell them something.
Yes, Star.
We had also watched a Pokemon film.
Yes, you and Papa. So today we decided that we're going to brunch, lunch, I guess that's what you're gonna call it, with the rest of the fam bam that is here on vacation with us, which is my brother-in-law, his girlfriend, and one of Tyler's cousin and their child. So basically, yes. So Babe didn't want to drive because you have to take the chain off the car wheels for the snow and put it back on. So my sister-in-law dropped us at the spot that we are gonna eat, and then she gone back to get Babe and my brother-in-law and the other two kids. So I'm just here waiting on them to come. Waiting on them to come back. It's just like 2 minutes drive anyway. Come out of the way. So we are here going to, I think we're going to a creperie. We are still in the village that we are in a place called Villard, Delaveaus. That's the name of the city that we're in. So we are going to eat, and then we're probably just gonna walk around the town and explore a bit. So enjoy the rest of today's vlog, and we'll see you guys throughout the rest of the day. You guys will see the rest of the family when they get here. So that's what we're doing today. You ready? And guess who forget their jacket? Just now I realized Tyler have no jacket on, as in no big jacket on. Yeah, so we're here in these streets, y'all. Eat what's in yours. Sarah, Yanar will share when you finish. Alright guys, so my food has arrived. This is a type of crepe with eggs and cheese in the middle, and a hamburger meat on the top with salad, fries for Sarah. That's the ravioli?
Ravioli. Un peu de sauce.
C'est pas d'oignon, c'est un chou.
C'est des sauces? Il y a ketchup?
Oui, ketchup.
Tomate ketchup.
J'ai pas entendu, par contre.
Merci, monsieur.
Merci.
so this is a restaurant that we went in. It's called Creperie Delaveaus. Los in English means beer. So everything inside have to do is decor of beers. We're in the little town, just walking around right now. Finished eating, food was good. Finished eating, food was good. Sarah is sleeping, which means I have to walk with her sleeping, which is not easy for me, but I'm still trying to capture a little footage for you guys so you guys can see where we are. In the little cities, a lot of restaurants, a lot. It's like every store is every building is a restaurant or a clothes store or some kind of store.
We have another beer here.
But yeah,
Mostly something with the beer.
mostly.
Can we buy some balloons?
No. What? Why?
To buy barrel.
What are in front of me?
Ah, tout est fermé, hein?
Oui.
Quelle heure ça réouvre la charcuterie?
Je sais pas, mais...
Ok, c'est la rouge là-bas? C'est 14h30.
So you see guys, a lot of restaurants. If you see on the ground there is ice because it rained yesterday all day, all night. So the ice melts and left just a few on the ground. Walking in the snow, walking in the snow. Sarah's having fun walking back to the cabin and splashing in the melted ice. Oh! We're heading back to our cabin after eating lunch. Everybody else is in front of us. We're taking time to walk with this little one. Because she's in a splash mode. Splash! Splash! Yay! Hey! Splash, splash! Rain ruined the snow. Hear that cough? My gosh. And I don't think it will snow before we leave here. So, yeah. We have to make use of the ice that is on the ground right now. Ooh.